finished my A-level business and then went on to an admin apprenticeship. Then I was sort of like wanting to learn a little bit more. So I applied for EMS, and as I was doing my admin role at EMS, I sort of like gained an attraction to the finance side, and they were actually looking for hiring people in finance anyway. So from there, Andrea contacted the college, signed me up for my level 2, and then it just all went from there. I'm really enjoying it. I quite like how I have like on-the-job experience as well as going into college and stuff, because I think that's what I struggled with for my A-levels. I couldn't really retain the information properly because I couldn't relate it to a real-life scenario. So with an apprenticeship, being able to relate it to that real-life situation, everything just like fit in better. So a typical day for me would start, I'd go through my emails, go through the calendar, then I'd go on to like write a brief plan of the day. I'd start with going through the accounts folder on email, collecting all the invoices and then matching them to the purchase orders. I've just started to learn how to invoice. So I've been working alongside my colleague Alex, and he's been showing me a lot of the steps going into invoicing. I've gained quite a few skills from my time here. I've definitely grown my confidence a lot. Just communicating, being able to communicate better, a lot of technical knowledge. So I've developed my Excel skills and the accounting software skills have definitely grown from being here. So I spend one day a week at college and then the remaining 4 in the office. An apprenticeship is quite good for me because I'm able to like just gain my own money while still studying. So that work-life balance has been like quite a big benefit because me being able to have my own wage and stuff is opening me up to like opportunities and more independence. So my assessor, she's helped me a lot with all my apprenticeship. She has just provided me with all the knowledge I need to complete all my assessments like with confidence. She's always there when I need her, so I can always get in touch with her no matter what. My favourite thing about working here in particular is definitely the people around me. The company couldn't be more supportive of me. They really care about like all the training and they want all their employees to perform to the best possible standard. I definitely want to stay here, hopefully. I work quite closely with the finance director, Andrea. She's actually my manager. And hopefully they'll have me for as long as possible. So for someone considering to do an apprenticeship, I'd say definitely just go for it. Especially if you're struggling like retaining the content in like an A-level or an exam-based course. Apprenticeships are so easy to get into and it just gives you so much independence and like just life lessons.